Hey everyone, welcome back to Funfold Friday. I'm so happy to be with you today. And we are using things from the brand new mini catalog. Here it is. It is now live. You can get all your holiday stamps to your heart's desired just by ordering from here. Let me introduce myself. If you don't know who I am, I'm so sorry. I am Kathy from Kathy's Stampin' World. I am so glad that you are here with me. Every Friday I have a different Funfold for you. And on Mondays, or I try to get them on Mondays, I have a tutorial that goes out to my newsletter subscribers of the fold that I did on Friday. So if you would like detailed directions about what I'm going to show today, all you have to do is subscribe to my newsletter there at that website that is scrolling across the bottom of the screen. So just a couple of things. As I was saying, this mini catalog is now live, but also we have a digital catalog for scrapbooking that is now live. So you scrapbookers out there, look at it. It is awesome. We have some new types of papers, products, kits, all kinds of good things for you. But today I've got a fun fold for you called a die cut swing card. Again, names are all made up. I am not going to promise you that's the real name. Now, this card can be done two different ways. I'm going to do it the landscape way today, and I am going to be using this adorable paper. Let me go ahead and switch me off here, and I am going to take that ticker off right there. Okay, and before I get into that, if you love this products and you're ready to do your order, please don't be afraid to use the host code right here. This is I should have changed that. It is not August. Hey, let me hide that for a minute and let me edit that. Let's change this to, how about September's host code? Oh, good heavens, this is what I get for interjecting. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, that was easy enough to save. Okay, so there we go. There is September's host code right there. If you should choose to order, and you place a $40 order with that host code, I am giving out a goodie package of things from this new mini catalog. So make sure to use the host code if you are planning to order. All right, so let's get rid of that, and let me show you what we're using today. I'm going to swap out these two. All right, so here we go. And of course there's lighting issues right now. Okay, we'll get it. We're going to focus and maybe it'll bring it in. Okay, anyway, let's look at this paper. This paper is it make a bow or take a bow? Take a bow, or take a bow, whichever way you want to do it. It is adorable Christmas paper. Yes, we are doing a Christmas card today. Of course, this particular fun fold can be done with any kind of stamp set. But look at this. This is, the colors in this are Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, and Real Red. So it is adorable, adorable paper. All right. We are going to be also using a bundle that I could not pass up. Can you pass this up? I can't pass this up. This is called Christmas Friends, and you know, I will be thinking of you this season. Come on, have a very Merry Christmas. But each of these have a die. That's what I love about it. No fussy cutting. To you people out there who know who you are, you're going to love this, right? But look at what is in this. That's really kind of cool. A nice big circle, and I don't have, oh yes I do have a ruler here. Let me tell you what the diameter is on that circle. It is 3 1/4. That is an awesome size, size that we don't really have. So it's kind of a neat little set. It's even got a little saying thing here. Grr, you know, I could see that with the bears or whatever. Whatever. And but this is what we're going to be using, and we are going to be using that fantastic circle that is in there amongst some others, which I've taken the liberty of cutting out. But I am going to do die cutting with you today, just because that's the secret to this fun fold. Because the fold is so daggone easy, there's not much to it. Now, if you've not done this before, you're going to be so happy when you see it. Okay, so we are going to go ahead, and I always have terrible luck when I bring this up, but we're going to do that. And what I am going to do for you is we are going to fold a 4 1/4 by 11-inch piece of cardstock. We are going to fold that in half. I should have done this before I brought up this. Okay. And then all we're going to do here is fold the front back in half again. Now, I'm kind of liking that I don't have to know any dimensions here except for the size of the base of the card, right? Okay. There we go. Now, that's what you need to do there. Okay. So, what are we doing from here? Oh my gosh. Did you see what I just did? I just put that down there, right? And I brought it up, not to fold on, but to cut on. Oh my goodness. All right. So look at brand new plates. That's rare. But okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to open this up. And I only want the circle to cut right here. I only want the circle to cut right here. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to lay that right in the center of the card. And I am going to secure it there because I don't want it to move. I don't want my card to be off kilter. So I'm going to do it there. And there, I'm just using washi tape. You could use a Post-it, whatever. I'm going to take the other plate and place it so that it only goes to the center fold. Okay, so now that I have it only going there to the center, I am going to insert and cut. I'm hoping yep, I did. All right. Now, let's take it out and I'll show you what we did. So if you can see now, oops, and I ripped I should have made my washi less sticky. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do then is we have, sorry, I don't know. And that's okay, we're going to cover that. We have the front of our card here. We have a circle here. And you see what's going to happen with our fold? See how that's going to work? So you cut, that's how it was. We only cut this half. So again, it was here. We put our plate right here, and that only cut this half. Pretty cool, huh? Now, let's go ahead and make this a cute card. All right. So, I have taken the liberty of cutting 2 more of the same circle so that we have our cute little owl. And you guys know I've cut, and then I have gone ahead and I have colored it with our Stampin' Blends and cut it out. Not cut, I colored it with our Stampin' Blends and cut out our adorable little owl. All right, make sure he's in focus for you guys. There he goes. Ah. All right, and now, goodness gracious, it's a day. It is a day with lights. I know. You know what? You have it set and then the sun goes down outside and it just affects it just the littlest bit. And, I don't know. Okay, so whatever we're doing here, let's get back on track. Get back on track. Okay, we are going to take our garden green. I'm going to stamp a little. Yay! We are going to, I'm going to use this one here. We're going to stamp first, little tree here, little tree here, little tree over here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? On this one, I'm going to stamp in the middle, and then just 2 down. You'll see where all this goes in a minute. Okay. Then I am going to bring in my real red. All right. I am going to stamp I'll be thinking of you right here, this season. Look at that, so cute. All right, now on this one here, what I'm going to do is go ahead and stamp the Happy Holidays. All right. Now we are ready to put this gorgeous little cute little card together, and it couldn't be simpler from here on out. We're going to use our adhesive. This is the front one, so first thing I'm going to do, now notice when I place this on the card, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and kind of leave that closed because I want to put it right up on the edge of my circle. There we go. So this is the front, right? And that flips over, and this is going to be the back. Now we're not done making it cute, so hang with me because there's so many other adorable dies in this bundle. It just, you can't help but make it cute. I mean, I just kept going, adding more stuff. All right. What I have done is I've taken some designer series paper. Okay, I know this is a width of 4, and I think this is like 2 3/4, and this was 2 3/4, which was too much. So this overlaps a little bit, which is what I wanted it to do. Okay. I really wanted that to be brighter for you guys. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and insert this here. Are you guys thinking about Christmas cards already? Ah, it's hard not to when there's cute stuff and you want to play with it. Oops. There we go. Now, let's talk about making this really cute. So let's take our little owl and we are going to pop him up. Here he goes. Yes, there. Oh. And now we're going to look at this greenery, right? And these bows, and we are going to finish this adorable card out. So here it is. We're going to take the greenery. I'm going to place that right there at the top. Okay, and then the bow. I should be doing this with my liquid glue and I'm getting sticky here. My take a pic tool. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Hold on. There we go. Look at him. He makes me smile. And then on the inside, we'll add the little thinner one because it's made, you could put some at the bottom and the top or whatever, but it was just a little too much for me, I thought, to put it both places. So I'm doing it like this. And like that. All right, and then we're just going to finish it out with some of these really cool iridescent dots in the main catalog. And we're going to put a couple right here because it goes so nicely with the polka dots on the paper. And not, oh, let's make that straight, Kath. And there we have it. Check it out. That is our fold for today. Pretty simple, right? Again, if you want directions delivered right to your inbox, there is the website to go and sign up. If you want to order, here is the host code. I'd love to send you a little surprise from the mini catalog. But even if not, I hope you're stamping and having a great weekend coming up. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.